Good morning, my dear children. Welcome to math class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine, children. So let us start our class. Everyone open page number 106 and observe 7.13 children. Okay. So here given pep activity. Let us do. Let's do this pep activity, children. Draw one more dot on the body of the beetle. Okay, here given one beetle. Now you have to draw one more dot on the body and then count the dots and write here. So here you have to draw one more dot like this. Okay, you have to draw one more dot like this, children. Now you have to count the number of dots and write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So write 5 here. Next, draw one dot on the blank dice. Okay, here given 2 dice. So it is blank dice. Now you have to draw one dot on the blank dice. So now here 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 and 1 more means here either 1 is there. No. So 4 plus 1, 5. So here totally 5 dots are there. Next, turn to the next page 107. Look at the number strip and circle what comes just after 4. Tick the correct box. Okay. Look at the number strip. Here given number strip, no children. So circle what comes just after. Okay children. Circle what comes just after 4. So after 4, which number comes after 4, children? So after 4, 5 is there. No, so you have to circle number 5. Okay children, next tick the correct box. The 3 answers are the same or different. So we completed 3 activities. Now first here the answer is 5. Here the answer is 5. And here the answer is 5. So now the 3 answers are the same or different, children? Yes, 3 answers are same. So tick the first one. Next, strike off one dot from the body of the beetle and count the remaining dots and write here. Okay, strike off one dot on the from the body of the beetle, count the remaining dots and write here. So strike out these children. So strike off. So here I strike out the one dot. Now count the remaining 1, 2, 3. So write 3 here. Okay children. Next, strike out the one dot on the dice. Count the remaining dots. Okay, strike out one dot on the dice and count remaining 1, 2, 3. So totally 4 dots are there. We strike one dot now means 4 minus 1 is 3. Look at the number strip. Circle what comes just before 4. So before means count backward now children. After means counting forward and before means counting backward. So circle what comes just before 4. So backward now. So before 4, 3. So circle number 3. Tick the correct box. The 3 answers are the same or not. Okay, the 3 answers are the same or not, children? Here 3 and here 3 and here also 3. So these are the same. So tick the same option. Next, just after a number or one more than and adding 1 to a number, these are all the same. So for example, I am explaining, children, no need to write this one. So what is the just after number of 3, children? What is the just after number of 3 is 4. No need to write this one, children. Next, what is 1 more than 3? What is 1 more than means? You have to add 1. 1 more than means it is also 4. Next, adding 1. Adding 1 to the number 3. So if we add 1 to a number 3, it's also 4. That means just after a number or 1 more than and adding 1 to a number are the same. Okay children. So after number, 1 more than and adding 1 to a number means these are all the same. and similarly just before a number. So for example, I am taking number 5, children. Okay, I am taking number 5. What is the just before number of 5? Just before number of 5 is 4. Am I correct? Just before number of 5 is 4. Next, 1 less than. What is 1 less than 5? 1 less than 5 means you have to subtract 1. Means it is 4. And subtracting 1 from a number. So subtract 1 from number 5, children. 5 minus 1 is also 4. Okay. So these 3 terms means these are the same. Just, after, and more than, and adding. And here just before, 1 less than, and subtracting 1. These are all the same. Okay, children. So next we are given think and ink. So first, who am I? Here you have to find the numbers. I come between 22 and 24. Okay, I come between 22 and 24. So which number comes between 22 and 24, children? So 23. Next, I am the greatest number among 18, 12 and 15. So which one is greatest number, children, in these 3? 18. Next, there is 0 in my ones place and 2 in my ones place. So first write places, children. It is ones place and tens place. So let us check. There is 0 in my ones place. So in ones place 0 means you have to write 0, children. Next, and 2 in my tens place. So write 2 in my tens place. So what is the number? It is 20. Next, D. I am 1 less than 30. Okay, I am 1 less than 30 means you have to subtract 1, means it is 29. Okay, 1 less than 30 means, children, 30 minus 1. 1 less than means it is nothing but a before number of 30, children. So what is the before number of 30 is 29. Next, I am the smallest number in 13, 4 and 9. Okay, I am the smallest number. Which one is smaller among these 3? 4 is smaller than remaining these 3 numbers. I am a greater than 10 but less than 12. Okay, here the number is greater than 10 but less than 10 means what comes between 10 and 12, children? 11. Okay, are you clear, children? In number 10 kanna greater, but it's less than 12 means in between 10 and 12. I come just before number 2. So which number comes just before 2, children? So 2 before 1. So answer is 1. Okay, next, project time. So everyone open companion, children. Everyone open companion, page number 68. Okay, it's project time. Go for a nature walk. Look for the following on your way and count them. Okay, we are like nature walk. Am I correct, children? So you have to go to the nature walk. మీరు అలా ఒకసారి నేచర్లో నడుస్తూ you have to count the number of trees, flowers and birds. Okay, look for the following on your way and count them. So nature is having many number of trees and flowers and birds, no? So you have to count the number of trees, flowers and birds and write here. So this is your project, children. Okay, next we are given question time. So fill in the blanks with less than, greater than or equal to. So you know that, children, already. So you have to complete this. So when we are using greater than and when we are using less than and when we are using equal to symbol. If the first number is greater means we are using greater than. So here it is 21 and here 19. So 21 is greater, no? So we are using greater than symbol. Okay, you have to do like that. And matching number name to the numbers. And then next, write what comes just before and just after. So what comes just after 21, children? So 21 after 22. And before 21, it's 20. So you have to fill the question time paper like this, children. And here given numbers, adding one more than, and what comes just after. So we discussed already, children, adding one and one more than and just after means same. Now here it is given, so write 22. One more than 22 is 23, so 22 plus 1 is also 23, and after 22 is 23. So you have to fill like this. Okay, next open studio we learned. So we learned numbers, children, and skip counting in tens. See, skip counting in tens means we count the numbers in tens, means 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 like that, children. And number and number names we learned number names up to 30. Am I correct, children? Yes. So in the next class I will ask the number names, children. Okay, everyone read the once revise number names. In Zoom session I will ask number and number names. So comparison of numbers we learn, children, greater and less. Okay, children, so this is about today's class. Thank you. Have a nice day. You have to complete the question time. This is your homework.